Good evening, my friends. Welcome to this little episode this evening. And guess where I am? I am in Wonderland looking for Alice. So, have you read about the story of Alice in Wonderland? And this is not in Wonderland, but rather this is in Gamboa's Orchard Farm. And it takes a lot of investment to create an atmosphere in a rural setting like this. And this is a very welcoming place to be. So you see all this orchard, these trees that were decorated with different colors of lights, and indeed it uplifts the spirit. So just by myself walking alone here, it creates a better ambience, it creates a better atmosphere to clear my mind and to clear my soul and to just be what I am. Of course, Alice in Wonderland is a fairy tale, but it excites our childhood bedtime stories. But in reality, life is not really that way, but rather life is something which is serious, and then there are really no magics in life, but rather it is something that we need to work hard for, to have faith, and to be what we want to be. So just like these beautiful flowers, lighted flowers, you seem to be seems looks magical and beautiful. It excites our imaginations. It brings us to a different world. Yet all the things that we see are nothing but imaginations. Indeed, we have to be more focused on things that are real, that are more worthwhile. So let's enjoy with me my walk as I go through this evening walk here at Gamboa's Resort. This is located in Malilipot, Albay. It's a small town in the province of Albay, and if you happen to be here, you might as well also visit. So I am not advertising. I'm just sharing my experience that perhaps this could also give you an idea of some of the beautiful places to be in Albay, where you can stay for the night or spend a few days of rest and recreation. So look at that. So isn't it wonderful? It seems that you're in Wonderland. Those lights are really very inviting, the warm lights. So enjoy as I take you with me in this walk. So you see here is it's the clubhouse. Then at the other side is the hotel building. And I think beyond this there is the pool and the different cabanas which you can rent. It's quite unfortunate that it's a rainy day here. We have been experiencing several days and nights of constant rain. And I hope that some way, somehow, by February or the end of January, this La Nina phenomenon will come to conclusion.